Okay, today we're going to cook this really simple and delicious garden stir-fry delight. First, let's get some black fungus ready. Let's put a little bit sugar and a little bit flour in there, and then put cold water in the big bowl there for easy rehydration. Now let's wash some broccoli, put a little bit salt in there, and then just to clean up thoroughly, trim off the end, break this to smaller bite size, and then rinse it thoroughly. And put these aside. Let's also get some garlic ready and some carrots. Peel it and chop the ends off. Now for garlic, you want to chop the ends off first and then crush it for easy chopping. After you chop this to smaller pieces, you want to rinse it in cold water. This will prevent the garlic from having the bitter taste or get burned once you fry it. Now cut this carrot to smaller pieces before you slice them. Put this aside. Now let's beat some eggs. We want to add some more nutrition to this one. So 3 eggs, beat them vigorously. Now let's check the black fungus. This should be properly rehydrated. You want to rinse out the flour and the dust, the dirt, so squish it several times and change water. And if you feel like it's not really nice and soft, just soak it for a longer time. Now let's pre-mix some sauce. Pre-mixed sauce can prevent it from getting too rushed when you're stir-frying. Put a little bit salt, a little bit sugar, a little bit mushroom bouillon, a little bit soy sauce, of course, and add a little bit starch and a little bit water. Now the sauce is pretty much done. Add a little bit white pepper and black pepper. This is such a flavor punch to this. Imagine how rich this flavor is. Now the black fungus is ready. So let's bring some water to a boiling. You want to put a little bit salt in there, a little bit oil in there. So when you cook broccoli in there, this way it will keep the color and also keep the nutrients in there. Boil it for about 30 seconds or the color completely changed. Now put this black fungus in there for about 3 minutes. This way you can cook this black fungus, so when you stir fry it, it won't have the little air pocket explode. Now let's do a little bit stir fry eggs. Do it the usual way. You don't want to put the too high heat or low heat. Take the eggs out when the eggs turn solid. Now let's do the stir fry. I usually put the carrots in there first because usually it takes a little bit longer time to soften it. Now after it's softened, put the black fungus in there. At this step, you might still hear a little bit the air pop there. It's normal. Now put the broccoli and the eggs in there. Keep on stir fry it. Now let's add the garlic in there. When you add garlic in there last, it will give you a very nice, refreshing taste. Now let's add the pre-mixed sauce. Use low heat here because you have starch in there. You don't want to burn it. And once the sauce thickened, you can serve that. Believe it or not, it's ready. Take a look at this nutritious, colorful, yet delicious garden stir-fry delight.